All right, hello and welcome to today's video. So what I'm going to be doing today is just an unboxing and a review. Recently we went to Miami and I were on vacation, but I had my chain, my Cuban link chain, which I made a video about that about 2 years ago. I think it was maybe 2 or 3 years ago. I'm not sure. It's on my page, but I had a sleek lock on it and I got it from a jewelry store called Las Villas. Well, I did some more research before we went because my sleek lock kept falling off. And in my video I made about 2 years ago, I said that was going to be a concern of mine because it didn't really seem well made. Anyways, fast forward, I found a place. It's called Garcia's Jewelers, and they have very good reviews, all 5-star reviews. And I'm gonna tell you what, from the minute that we got there and I told them what I wanted, I mean, they were just so hospitable. They took us back where they actually make their necklaces. They were telling us about their whole process and just really, talk to me about what I wanted. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and we're gonna see what it looks like. So what I did do is I went from a sleek lock to a box lock because I wanted it to be more secure on my neck, and I just got this package, so let's check it out. All right, so that's why I weighed a little bit. It's in a box. And like I said, my previous video, well, not previous, but years ago, I made a video about Las Villas, and it came in the box too. But, so this is the company right here, Garcia's Jewelry, Miami. And let's check it out. So, now, hold on. That's fancy. Okay, I just opened this box and I'm talking like lights came on in here. Okay, who does that? Them. Paying attention to detail. I'm telling you, if you want a chain made, so I didn't even have this made there, but I'm gonna have something made from them just because. I mean, and just the quality of this box versus the box that I got from Las Villas already is better. But it's not about the box, it's about what's in the box. So let's check it out. All right, so I just want to start off as well, because when I got my necklace from Las Villas, it was thrown in there. This is bubble wrapped, and it's even inside of another bag in there. So that just, they're trying to protect your asset, which is a big cost to us, right? Is having gold chains. And the care that they just took right here to just wrap this up very nicely. They didn't want it to get damaged or scratched. So they're really looking after your product that they're giving to you. So let's get this unraveled and check it out. And all right. So here is the box lock. I didn't get anything fancy put on it, which they can do that for you. They can put emeralds or they can put jewels, diamonds, whatever you want. And actually, their box locks that they put on their chains is like a whole different level too. So that's always an option too. If you're there and you want to go stop by there and look at them. I mean, the box lock or the sleek lock was so tight that I couldn't even get it open. Okay, so that's a good thing too, right? But we'll go ahead and check this out. So just your standard. But the thing also that I really liked about these, which I don't know if other ones do this, but this is like a two-part lock, right? So they, on box clasp, a lot of times they just slide together and then these hold it in. Well, this one is still locked in place. You have to push down on this tab to get it open, and then there you go, it's open. So they did actually add a couple links for me, and these right here, these 4 links are what they added because when they had to put this on there, it actually took some of my chain away, and they did a really good job of matching it. I mean, it looks very nice. Just the quality of this right here, I mean, it just makes me want to get another chain, really. But what they did is they did take my sleek lock, melted it down, and added a little bit more gold, obviously, and I paid the difference, which was not bad at all. And they actually stamped So you can see right here where it's actually stamped the carat of the gold, which my previous experience with Las Villas, they did not do that. Yeah, so I'm very, very happy with this, very happy with the quality. And also, we were just there like 2 weeks ago, okay? These guys knocked this out, got it shipped back to me. 2 weeks later, I have my chain. You know, I know that getting an actual handmade chain from them probably would take a little bit longer, but for them just to jump on that, get it knocked out for me, and get it to me in 2 weeks, I'm very, very impressed with that. And also, like I said, this box, I mean, look how cool this box is. You put your chain in there, you just want it to be blinging on your counter or something. Who knows? Look at that. I mean, that's sweet right there, right? Got the lights in there. So I am definitely going to be leaving them a very good review, 5-star review. And if you're ever thinking about getting a chain made, or you're doing some research right now on the internet, definitely do not pass these guys up right here. Garcia's Jewelry. So check them out. Highly recommend it. So put this on. That's what it looks like. And this is, so obviously, yeah, the box clasp is a little bit bigger. I was trying to go with a sleek lock, but the thing is like I said, I mean, you can't beat the security of this right here. This thing's not coming off. I mean, so, and it doesn't look too bad. Primarily it's going to be in the back of your neck anyway, but very happy with this experience. I will be visiting them again. So if you liked today's video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and just be looking out for more content. Go and check my previous videos out. And really appreciate you watching this today. Take it easy.